Pakinggan po natin ang pangalawang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas at ang outgoing Secretary of the Department of Education, Sara Z. Duterte.
Thank you. Please take your seats. Mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, umayong adlaw, kaninyong tanan, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. We would like to warmly welcome Secretary Sunny Angara to the Department of Education family. Welcome to the chaos, Sec. Lahat tayo, saan man ang pinanggalingan, anuman ang pinagdadaanan, ay may pangarap. We all have dreams. Bilang kalihim ng kagawaran ng edukasyon, ang tanging pangarap ko ay maitaas ang kalidad ng edukasyon sa Pilipinas. Ngunit ang isang pangarap, kung hindi pagsisikapan, ay mananatiling pangarap lamang. Kaya naman, mula pa noong una akong magsilbi sa kagawaran noong July 2022, agad kong sinimulan kasama ng halos 1 milyong nating kapamilya sa DepEd ang mga hakbang tungo sa pagtupad ng natatanging pangarap. During the last 24 months, we have rolled out the Matatag Agenda, caused the Matatag Agenda and the Basic Education Development Plan to be adopted by the NEDA Board as a national plan and policy for basic education. Brought back in-person classes for approximately 27 million learners across public schools post-pandemic. Launched and piloted the K-10 Matatag curriculum. Started the review of the senior high school curriculum. Launched the National Learning Recovery Plan, which includes the National Reading Program, the National Math Program, and the National Learning Camp. Entered into a JMC with TESDA and SHED for our senior high school graduates to be provided with free national certification assessments, accreditation of DepEd senior high schools as assessment centers, along with the training and certification of our TVL teachers as TVET competency assessors. Created the school infrastructure and facilities strand. Continued constructing new classrooms and rehabilitating those in need of repairs. Obtained approval from the NEDA Board and the World Bank for the ISRS project for safer and climate resilient schools. Created the procurement strand, amended our textbook procurement guidelines, which reduced the procurement period from what used to be 3 years to 1 year. Procured textbooks for the nationwide implementation of the Matatag curriculum. Procured e-learning carts consisting of 46 laptops in each cart, which are currently being delivered to public schools nationwide. Started the school-wide Wi-Fi program by providing internet connectivity to 2,000 last-mile schools through satellites and 305 schools through fiber connection. Hauled learning resources that remained in the warehouses of a third-party logistics provider for years. Maintained DepEd's ISO certification for quality management systems. Received an unqualified opinion for COA's annual audit of fiscal year 2022, which was the first for DepEd. Held quarterly consultations with private schools organizations. Expanded